Hey everyone, this is Judy with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of May 2nd through the 8th. And the theme I'm going to go with doesn't really come from a challenge, just I always list out the holidays that I like to think about each year, and so Cinco de Mayo falls on the 5th of this week, so I was going to go ahead and do a Cinco de Mayo spread. So I have this older sticker book. It's a seasonal sticker book from Craftsmart. So I got this at Michael's a couple years ago, and I've used it a bunch of times. I even did a Cinco de Mayo spread using it last year, so I only have about half of the stickers left, but I thought this would be a fun set of stickers to use for Cinco de Mayo. I always like to make tacos or fajitas or something this week. I've pulled a couple washi tapes to go with. I always think of margaritas and lime, so I have this washi tape from Simply Gilded. It's a really fun kind of lime ombre with some green and gold foil on it. And then I have this washi tape. This is just from, let's see, it's got some Asian lettering on the inside of the core, so I'm sure I got this at AliExpress at some point, but it's got like half little lemons and limes and stuff, so I thought that would work. And then I pulled several of the food sticker books. I've got a Happy Hostess sticker book because it's got some yellows and greens in it. I've got the food sticker book so I can pull out some tacos and some limes and some margaritas. And then I also have the happy hour sticker book. So let's get started. I've stopped covering up this week, so I just need to worry about notes. And I also, of course, I want to put, here's where we're going to start. I know I want to put the Cinco de Mayo sticker on Cinco de Mayo. So it could fit here, over here by the date, which works well. And maybe I'll layer it with a little bit of washi tape as well. I think I'll tuck it. I don't want to cover up Thursday. I guess I could cover up Thursday though, because basically it says, hey, this is Cinco de Mayo, so I don't need it to say that twice. So maybe I'll put a little bit of this green washi tape up there, and the foil will cover up the black letters, which is just fine. And then this can kind of come down off of it. Yeah, that looks cute. I like that. And we'll just do our little uneven rip. There we go. So I like sometimes to replace the date with a representation of the date. So 5th of May, Cinco de Mayo, there we go. All right, and then I think, let's see, I could do, I want to try to use up these stickers for this spread. So, and I do want to cover up notes. So they have one other big box sticker, and I was thinking I could use it here, but then both of my box stickers are down here at the bottom. So maybe we want to go opposite with that. So I'm kind of a little bit all over the place, but I think what I'll do is come up here with this one. So, and I'm going to go ahead and go with the same sort of thing. So I think since this has the margaritas, I'll go ahead and use a strip of the washi tape with the limes with this one. It's really, really pale, but that's okay. Yeah, let's do that. And I think I'll go ahead and do an uneven rip there. And then I'm going to come up, I'm just going to barely come, I'm going to go ahead and come up above the edge of the box just for a little bit of balance, and so I don't cover up quite as much of the washi tape. There we go. All right, so that kind of is going to set my rotation then for zigzagging back and forth on the page. So that means I'm going to go here and maybe a little bit of something right there to cover up notes. Or maybe what I'll do is I'll run this washi tape, and I do have this in the wider, maybe I'll go ahead and put that wider version on there, and that way I can cover up notes and this week. And this, I do have a link in the description box of all of my videos, since I use Simply Gilded washi tape so much. If you sign up for their no spam newsletter, and it truly is no spam, if you use my link to sign up for that, you get a coupon for $5 off a purchase of $15 or more, and I do as well. And it is, I do pay attention to her emails, because the only time she ever sends one is if there's a sale or something new hitting the shop. So it's worth signing up for. So I'm just gonna put this all the way across, and that way then I still have room for one big word across there. Normally I don't really worry about this week, but in this particular case it's going to work out. So there we go. And there is pink on the page, but some of these stickers have some pink, so I'm just gonna, since pink and green is my favorite color combination anyway, I'm just gonna enjoy it. So there we go. All right, that looks pretty darn good. Oops, stay down. Okay, so we're gonna go here and here. So I think I want this pink Fiesta sticker to be on this side, this page, since I've got that big pink sticker there. So let's go ahead and go put it, I don't want it, I guess I could put it there. Ooh, I need to do some quote boxes too. Or yeah, who to attribute the quote to. So let's look in here. There were some nice limes and some littler boxes in here. Oh, I could put balloons with Fiesta. I saw balloons go flashing by. There we go. Let's put a couple balloons with the word, with this Fiesta. Since it's pink, we'll do a green balloon and a yellow balloon. There we go. And we'll put Fiesta at the bottom, because balloons go with the Fiesta and Fiesta goes with the weekend. And then I just need a little box for who to attribute the quote to. And I think I'm gonna see if I can lift these up, because I think I want, since the balloon strings are so thin and delicate, I think I want them over top of this sticker. Maybe kind of like this. And then I want to go ahead and try to leave room, except I don't want to go up into Friday. I want to try to leave room for a who to attribute the quote to box as well. So let's, and the balloons are light enough that Saturday can show through. So let's do it kind of like this. All right, and then I need to find a box. Here we go. Maybe a little one of these. So I'm using yellow and green. Here we go. Let's use these. I'm going to use, I think I'll use this kind of purplish one, since I have all the other colors here already. And I think I need this to be under, since that one is under. Luckily these stickers aren't sticking super hard to the page, so it's making repositioning pretty easy. All right. Okay, so one more bunch here. I think I'll save this piñata for the other side. So let's use some of these little decorative stickers here, and we'll go ahead and put another box. So maybe a yellow box. So I'll put this one down lower, and then we'll put some of these up around it. And actually I'm thinking, so there's this strip sticker, maybe I want to put like half of it on there. Let's do half of it. We'll do an uneven rip. We'll put half on this side and half on the other side. So actually, I was going to put it at the bottom, but I'm thinking now I want it at the top, since I have this big strip of washi at the bottom. So I could have left these, but that's okay. No harm. I just want to put a little grouping of these. I don't even know what these are. Oh, that's a bird. I couldn't tell what that was until I pulled it off the page. How about a couple of these little hearts? Let's see, we'll do one more. So my goal is to use up pretty much all of this page on this spread. There, that's super cute. Okay, so I think this page might be pretty much done. Let's come over here. So I've got this one. I'm kind of wanting to put another balloon over here, but well, oops, my last heart didn't stick. There we go. All right, so now I need to come over here for sure. So let's go ahead and grab a, since I've got kind of a pinkish red, that same color neighborhood here, let's go ahead and grab a green one. I think we'll go with more of the lime washi tape, except I want it up. I'm not sure I'm even going to get into a lot of my sticker books. I can come back and put tacos and stuff around the page if I need to. What else we got? How about a couple of these flags? Or at least one of them. Why am I not using my tweezers? Although, you know what? These are pretty similar, so maybe I should save this for a different, maybe over here. So let's go with, maybe this is where I put my tacos. Although I'm thinking Taco Tuesday would be appropriate as well. Let's put the margarita on here since I've got the limes. And I want a little bit of a contrasting color, so I'm going to go ahead and put these last 3 little tiny red hearts on there. For loving my margarita. I haven't had a margarita in years though, I admit it. Okay, so then that means I'm going here and here, so I want to use the piñata sticker for sure. I want to use some of this washi tape far away from that washi tape, so let's go ahead and put some of that up here, and that puts it also far away from that washi tape. Let's put this up here. There we go. Alright, so I think that might be enough washi tape. I do like to use two, if I'm going to do a significant bit of washi tape in a spread, I do like to use 2 different ones. So this hunk then I need to put, I think, here. I do want one more box, so let's go with one last box. I think we'll go with this one. It contrasts nicely with the washi, but there is some of this color in that washi. There we go. Okay, so that's all my boxes. Do I want to, I've got those 2 balloons. I feel like I want one more balloon maybe on this side. So maybe with this piñata. Here we go. I can do yellow and green again. I can do red. I think yellow. And we'll go ahead and use the green one as well. So I think I'm done with this. So I want to fill in this space under piñata. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this little flag and put that on there. And then the rest of these little guys up here. So the birds and the funky little floral. We're getting there. We're using up this page of stickers. Okay. I kind of feel like, let's see, I've got these 2 rounds and some more flags, and then my page is totally used up. So I think I don't want this space. I don't need to write anything. But I like this hola. Hello. I did have Spanish in high school, which was many, many, many moons ago. I took 3 years of Spanish. So I remember a little bit of it. Let's put that there. And then since the Taco Tuesday is kind of the thing, let's go ahead and put some tacos right there. So I have the old original food book because it's got a whole page of like tacos and nachos and stuff. Here we go. Here we go. We can even put Taco Tuesday on there. So this book is so old. It is totally, and I used it a lot. I used it, I haven't done any recipe planning videos in a long time, but I used to use this just about every video. So let's put some nachos and a taco or 2 for Taco Tuesday. There we go. Perfect. Okay, and that was really about, I mean, there's some lines and margaritas back here, but I've got that one, so that works. And then what do I have left? So I just have this and these flags. So I'm thinking I want to put, so I could tuck this one under like I did that one, or I could use my craft knife to go ahead and chop that off. Either way though, I think I want to bring this splash of different color over to here where it's got majority of green. So I think what I'll do is go ahead and just tuck it under. And I know that's sideways, like the little birds are sideways, but you know, I could put it under and let it be over top of the washi tape. Maybe I'll do that instead. But then it's upside down. Okay, so if I want to use it, it basically needs to be, let's cut it. Since I already took it off the page, I can just go ahead and chop it with my scissors. Take that white part off that I don't need. And let's go ahead and just put this down here for a splash of extra color. There we go. I know it's covering the washi, but that's okay. All right, so literally the only thing I have left on this page is these 4 tape flags. And some of them I don't feel like really even say Cinco de Mayo to me. So I think it's done. Just a fun little spread. We got Taco Tuesday, we got margaritas, we got some Mexican art and aesthetic there. So I have been to Mexico once, but it's been a very long time. There we go. There is my Cinco de Mayo Taco Tuesday spread in my horizontal planner. I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to go ahead and have fun and do some decorating in a horizontal for yourself. Do maybe some hand lettering in here, a safe space. That's what I do in mine. I don't have any after the pens because I have fallen off the wagon on this, but I am still decorating them because I feel like maybe after I'm done with this year's hand lettering guided practice videos, I can definitely go back and then do my hand lettering in here to keep it fresh next year. So I might reuse these next year and do some videos on the actual process of the hand lettering. I haven't decided yet, but they will not go to waste. One way or the other, they definitely will not go to waste. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.